is an evolution of technology. From manual production to mechanized production, from electrification, automation to intelligentization, the era of Made in China 2025 and Industry 4.0 is coming. Today, what we can do to help Made in China continue to lead the world in the new era? Genesis Group, founded in 2005, listed on the Shenzhen Stock Exchange in 2010. The main business was changed to intelligent equipment in 2016. From a national high-tech enterprise to Shenzhen Top 500 and to Guangdong Top 500. To combine intelligence with equipment manufacturing. To bond the dream of industrialization with arduous efforts. To create infinite possibilities for equipment and machinery. The equipment manufacturing industry is the pillar of the nation, the security strategy of the nation. Located in the heart of the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area, at the forefront of China's reform and opening up, the engine of economic growth changed the world with creation. Create Century stands by you. Going beyond technology boundaries, we integrate independence, contribute to the development of the intelligent equipment industry. It has grown into an industry-leading provider for high-end intelligent equipment and intelligent overall solutions. Regarding bottleneck as motivation, we accelerate innovation. The group cooperates with 4 strategic cooperation institutions, 1 station, 1 lab, 2 centers to set up 2 enterprise R&D centers in South China and East China. Catch up with international cutting-edge technology, transform high-quality patent achievements, and serve the national economic construction with original aspiration. Expanding the realm of knowledge and action. Based on the middle and high-end CNC machine tool market, Create Century established 4 industrial bases in Dongguan, Suzhou, Yibing, and Huzhou. Blazing a trail, Create Century has become a leader in the industry. The group forges ahead with vigor and perseverance. Responding to the demands of the times, gathering development momentum, our production and sales are steadily rising. We respond rapidly to clients' needs and have set industry milestones, combine high-end intelligent equipment manufacturing and intelligent manufacturing services, focus on building an industrial internet digital service system, rejuvenate one-stop cloud service platform, empower 2 key business sectors and 6 brands. The annual sales of vertical machining centers exceed 10,000 units. More than 80,000 drilling and milling machining centers are sold worldwide. The annual overall production capacity is more than 75,000 units. Meet the needs of global customers. 3C high-speed drilling and tapping center, rated as National Manufacturing Enterprise Product, top of its class. The Vertical Machining Center Series, benchmark of the industry. The 5-axis machining center series, 5-axis interconnected, high-precision positioning. The 5-axis turning milling machining center series, vertical and horizontal conversion, milling and turning on the same machine, multifunctional. The horizontal machining center series, high precision, high accuracy, and high stability. The double column machining center series, precision mode, high rigidity, high precision machining. The profile processing center series, new energy, lightweighting parts processing, the high-precision CNC lathe series, efficient processing in multiple scenarios. The engraving machining center series, efficient processing in 3C and other scenarios. From marine vessels to land transportation, from new infrastructure to new energy, from medical devices to interconnected communications. High precision, high speed, high efficiency machine tools have been manufactured by inspiration. Hoping the rise of great power with high-end equipment. making contributions to the nation by building up a great enterprise. We've set up a global service network and after-sales team, delivering every product diligently and professionally in a timely manner. From idea to realization, wholeheartedly, we help clients achieve success. Open the door to intelligent manufacturing. Usher in the era of intelligent manufacturing. From nobody to somebody. Entering the high-end market, developing the emerging industries, setting foot in the wider industrial world, working together and sharing benefits. The only path to infinite possibilities. We'll create a bright future together. Innovate the century and chase the dreams with intelligent manufacturing. Genesis Group.